warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hello everyone, good morning. Let me introduce myself. My name is Dita Permata Abadi. I am the student of Komarudin University, and now I would like to present my thesis, undergraduate thesis, under the title An Analysis of Lecture Difficulties on Teaching Listening at Second Semester of Komarudin University 2019 until 2020 academic year. Okay, we go on to the first chapter. It consists of background of the study until definition of key terms. The first is background of the study. According to Brown, listening is a receptive skill. It means that the skill involves the students to be able to receive the message in the form of spoken language. The student must listen and remember well about what they are listening to, so the information can match the delivery. The best teaching is needed to convey well to students. In this case, it is the work of lecture. Listening subject is a material in university, like Komarudin University, because there are English language education in Komarudin University. There are 3 subjects. They are listening 1, listening 2, and listening 3. And in the second semester 2019 until 2020, they are listening 2. The subject name is interpretive listening. As a university that will produce teacher in the school, the lecturer must understand what is needed by student while in teaching listening. A lecturer as a facilitator should have the ability to make students feel easy in listening. We know that Komarudin University is a new campus in Gresik. The various facilities available on the new campus are certainly still lack. One of the facilities that need to be equipped in a university is a laboratory room. The role of the laboratory is one of the important components in the learning process. One of them is listening subject. According to the listening lecturer, learning listening in a laboratory room is very different from using audio by sound system in the class. The process of studying in the laboratory allows for clarity of sound, and it does not need to bring their own audio sound system from home. Because all this time, the listening lecturer at Komarudin University have brought their own personal audio sound system from home. And of course, the lecturer difficult to teach listening. And from the background, the problem of the study are: the first is, what are the difficulties faced by the lecturer at teaching listening in second semester of Komarudin University, and the second is, what are the factors that cause the difficulties for the lecturer at teaching listening in second semester of Komarudin University. And the purpose of the study are to know the specific information about lecturers' difficulties at teaching listening in second semester, and the second, to describe the factors that cause the difficulties for the lecturer at teaching listening in second semester of Komarudin University. For the significance, there are 2 significant here. The first is theoretical and the second is practically. For the limitation, the writer just limit on an analysis of lecture difficulties at teaching listening in second semester of Komarudin University. And the last is definition of key term. There are 4 definitions of key term. The first is difficult, the second is the lecturer, the third is listening, and the last is Komarudin University. Okay, we go on to the chapter 2. In the chapter 2, start from definition until relevant previous study. Chapter 3, start from design of the study until schedule of the study. The design of the study was descriptive qualitative study, and the setting of this study was conducting at Komarudin University, which located at Jalan Raya Bungah number 1, Bungah, Gresik. The study focused on English Language Education Department. The total number of the lecture is 19. The population was the lecturer from English Language Education Program, but not all of them was the object of this study. The sampling is needed. The sampling technique was using purposive sampling. The sample was the lecturer of listening subject at second semester of Komarudin University. The next is technique of collecting data. There were three techniques of collecting data. The first is observation, the second is questionnaire, and the last is interview. For the instrument, there were observation checklist, questionnaire, interview, and field notes. The observation used a checklist to find out the difficulties faced by the lecturer in teaching listening. For the questionnaire was divided into three types. The first is pretest questionnaire. It consists 5 questions, and then for the teaching questionnaire, it consists 10 questions, and for the exam questionnaire, it consists 8 questions. For the interview, the general interview was given after the first and the last learning process. The pretest and teaching interview were given after the learning process had completed per meeting. The exam interview was given after the exam and scoring had done. During the offline classroom learning process, the writer conducts face-to-face interview, whereas while online learning, the writer conducts interview by phone. Field notes were also applied during classroom observation. Field notes record everything in the learning process from opening until closing. Field notes also help the writer to get more information that is not covered in the observation checklist. The next is data analysis. There were 3 data analysis. The first, data reduction, data display, and conclusion drawing. For the procedure of study, there were some procedure. The first is preparation, implementation of the study step, and the last, writing the report. And here, the schedule of the study, it began from November until August 2020. Go on to the next chapter, chapter finding and discussion. The finding on teaching process. The teaching process consists of 15 meetings, and for all meetings, the activity were opening until closing. For the first meeting until third meeting, the process of teaching conducted at the classroom, or we call offline class. But for the 4 meeting until 15 meeting, the teaching process was using WhatsApp group because of COVID-19 pandemic. The next is finding on the lecturer difficulties at teaching listening. The first is finding on difficulties faced by the lecturer at teaching listening. Based on observation from 14 March until 11 July 2020, the writer who found the lecturer got difficulties in teaching listening at second semester. They were audio player, class management, sending files, and assignment process. When conducting the third meeting, the sound playback was interrupted because the speaker could not be connected to the laptop. The second difficulty faced by the lecturer was class management. Here, the lecturer had difficulty in managing the class. Based on study at meeting 7, 9, 11, 12, and 13, in online learning, many students did not focus on following the learning process. The management of time also became a difficulty for the lecturer. The listening class had to be held on Saturday from 8 o'clock until 9:40 am, but it could be more than the specified time. Several meetings were held 9:50 am to 10 o'clock. Amid the COVID-19 pandemic, the learning files had to be sent by online, such as by using WhatsApp group. But at the meeting 6 of listening class, the lecturer had a difficulty to send the audio files and document, so she had to send it many times. The signal also made student response inactive. It caused the class inactive because there was no visible response from the student. This made the learning process more difficult. In the assignment process, the difficulty of the lecturer occurred when the students submit their assignment. It was found in meeting 5 and 7. Some students were late in submitting their assignment, which made the lecturer wait longer. For the next point is findings on the factors that cause the difficulties for the lecturer at teaching listening. Based on observation, the writer found the factors faced by the lecturer when teaching in the second listening class. The speaker was not properly connected to the laptop due to the lack of adequate facilities on campus. The campus should have good sound facility to support the learning process, especially for learning of listening subject. So the lecturer didn't need to bring her sound system from home. In managing offline class, the factor that caused lecturer difficult in teaching was the room. The lecturer could not teach properly because of the small capacity of the room. It didn't not balance with the number of the students. While in online class, the factor that caused difficulty in attracting attention was the lecturer and student could not be able to meet face to face. This caused the lecturer didn't know what the student was doing, whether they really focused or not in the learning process. The limited signals also made lecturer difficult to receive the student response, so it took more time to send file or respond the chat in the WhatsApp group. In the assignment process, the difficulty of the lecturer while waiting for the student to do assignment was caused by external factor, namely signal. And for the next is finding on interview. It consists of background of the respondent and the process of teaching listening. The next is finding on questionnaire. In this questionnaire was displayed on the point per meeting. There were difficulties to sign pretest material or question. The difficulty on teaching, difficulty explaining, difficulty in giving assignment, and difficulty on conducting assessment. Here the table of the difficulties. The next is discussion. Based on the finding above, there were several things that must be noted down. It will be arranged based on the finding on each problem. First, the most common difficulty faced by lecturer was in the learning process. Creating teaching condition that can achieve maximum learning objective is not easy to do, even in listening learning. But in reality, teaching listening too found many difficulties in process of opening, main, and closing activity. The second difficulty faced by the lecturer was in the assessment process. In this difficulty was correction that was giving grades to students who will be included in IPK. In this assessment, the lecturer used an active system at the meeting and middle test and final test also. The difficulty in providing explanation to students was the third difficulty. As explained in theory in chapter 2, the main task of the lecture is to change, develop, and disseminate knowledge, technology, and art through education, study, and community service, demanding lectures to always develop competency. So, as the lecturer must be able to give clearly explanation. But during the teaching listening process, there were many difficulties in explaining, especially in online class. The fourth difficulty was managing time in the learning process. As scheduled from the Commonwealth University, the listening subjects are scheduled to begin at 8 o'clock until 9:40 am. But in reality, the lecturer was difficult to set the time and not appropriate to the schedule. Sometimes it ends early and sometimes it takes too longer than the schedule. The next is the difficulty of giving assignment. In assigning assignment, often the lecturer reminds students to send assignment and explain the tasks that must be done by students. In assigning, the lecturer used structured assignment, where the lecturer always gives practice questions so the student understand more in every material talk. But in reality, it is actually difficult to give assignment. For the second discussion is the factors that cause the difficulties for the lecturer at teaching listening. This part discusses about the difficulties faced by the lecturer in teaching listening in second semester. The last chapter is conclusion and suggestion. The result of this research can be concluded that there are 4 or 5 difficulties in teaching listening faced by the lecturer. In the learning process of listening, the class was held through a virtual class, or we can call online class because of COVID-19 pandemic. This is difficult because some students didn't join to the class on time. The lecturer was very uncomfortable with assessment using online class. It is because some students doing their assignment by cheating or copy paste from internet to their friends. Also, students did not active answering or responding to the lecturer, so it makes confused and difficult to the lecturer doing assessment. The lecturer had difficulty in explaining the material in online class. That was because the lecturer could not be explained directly by face-to-face with the student. She was only able to use text or voice note to give explanation. The lecture difficult to manage the time that used in online class. There were some students join late the class, it because the class sometimes running with some students only. Lastly, the lecturer got difficulty to send the material and audio files in the online class. Here, the lecturer could not be given better instruction about the assignment to the student. Besides, she had to send the file of assignment in many times because of the unstable signal. For the next is suggestion. There are 5 suggestions here. The first is the lecturer should join the seminars on how to manage learning, especially listening in online class, so they can arrange a structured and systematic online class. The second is the lecturer should create something creative, such as she should not always give a material to the student, but they given an opportunity to play an active role in providing material such as a structured assignment. The lecturer should choose the right teaching material for online learning, especially in teaching listening. The fourth is for the university should provide seminars for the lecturer about online classroom management. Okay everyone, that's all my presentation. Thank you so much for your nice attention. The last I say, wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.